Hi guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these s'mores cookies. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and into the mixing bowl place your room temperature butter, followed by the light brown sugar, then your granulated white sugar, and mix together on a medium-low speed or medium-high speed until everything is combined. The mixture should be lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. So once you've achieved that, you can then go ahead and add in your egg and vanilla. Feel free to add these in one at a time and mix one in between, or add them both in at the same time and just mix until they are fully incorporated. Once they're fully incorporated, mix, and your mixture should come together and become a lot lighter and looser in consistency, completely normal and what you're looking for. Then go ahead and give the bowl a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on, so don't forget to scrape the top and the very bottom of the bowl. That's where it normally sticks for me. Then go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, which is your flour, your cocoa powder, your raisin agent, and your fillings, which are chocolate chips and marshmallows, and mix this until a dough has formed. Being careful to not over mix the mixture, as you're not looking to make it a tough texture cookie once it's baked. Now you've got your dough ready, you can go ahead and take scoops of the cookie dough and just flatten it in between your hands and create a little indent in the center. In that indent, you'll want to fill it with some chocolate spread. I'm using a s'mores chocolate spread that I got from a supermarket. I can't remember where, but I got a small one, but feel free to fill it with either like a marshmallow spread or a chocolate spread, and then just roll it up into your hands into a bowl, then roll in some digestive biscuit crumbs, place onto a tray, and repeat the process until you've done all of your cookies. This recipe does make 5 very large cookies, but feel free to halve these and make 10 smaller cookies, which are much better if you're feeding crowds or providing for a crowd. So here are what the cookies look like before they go into the oven, and they will spread and flatten out when they're baking. Here's what they look like fresh from the oven. So to finish them off, I'm just placing on some more of those mini marshmallows that we put inside of the cookies as well, and just do that for all of them. Then scatter over some chocolate chips. I'm using some dark chocolate chips just to help cut through the sweetness, and I did use dark chocolate chips inside of the recipe as well, so just keep that in mind. If you don't want an overly sweet recipe, use a less sweet chocolate. Just scatter them on top, then let them melt on top. And then here's what they look like. A great cookie, perfectly chocolate treat if you want something quick and easy. But that's all today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to my social media. But that's all today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.